You know I like it when you're mad at me. Ew! Love a good smoothie. Hey everyone, welcome back to my oxygen. I have one of those days where I don't really want to film anything, but I know I have to because I can't do it at another day, on another day. Wow, my English is really rusty. I want to chill today. I'm literally just going to do what the fuck I want. Well, I'll try to keep a little bit of a structured makeup tutorial, but I can't promise anything, so I don't want to start this video because my water should be boiling anytime. Excuse me, I'm professional, I'm filming. I should just title this video "Waiting for Naomi's water to boil." What? It's boiling. I put my pasta in. I can't wait to eat it. Oh, there's glitter on my nose. I gotta set a timer for my pasta real quick. Timer stellen 10 Minuten.
Okay, der Timer wurde auf 10 Minuten gestellt.
Okay, 10 minutes, that should be enough time to finish my makeup. This is way too dark, but I got another shade which is lighter because I'm prepared. I'm just gonna, oh, that's way lighter. Oh my god, you can do like little triangle stamps on your face with this. This is so cool. Illuminati. Oh well. Oh god. What am I doing? I don't know if you can see that, but I really fucked up this foundation. Get it back in there and just close it and pretend it never happened. Is it just me, or is this foundation kind of hard to blend in? What the fuck is going on here on this day? Was it my fault? Did I wait too long to blend it in? Or what happened here? I literally have to swipe it so the triangles disappear. Oh my god, it is Illuminati. Someone call Shane Dawson. Oh, let's do some concealer. Everywhere. My way to apply concealer. I'm sorry if you're triggered by eating noises. This video is not for you. I literally can't use the beauty blender with these nails. It's like this. What is this? Okay guys, yesterday I had a little accident. I had this pink wig on. I glued it down like right here, but I didn't have like any wig glue, so I just used like liquid latex. Which wasn't the best idea because now it's like stuck in my little wig baby hairs, but also stuck in my baby hairs. Like yesterday it looked like this and it was not fun to remove. I thought I literally had to rip out like all of my baby hairs right here. I just used some oil makeup remover, so it kind of came out, but there's still like some residue in there. And I'm just a total failure. Failure. I can't pronounce this word. Failure. I'm just a total failure. I'm a total feral. Feral? I'm a feral, you guys. I want to apply my powder, but I know that the 10 minutes are almost over and I just want to get my pasta. Okay, maybe I should get it. Okay, thank you. Excuse me, I'm just, yeah. I'm just gonna, thanks. Okay, I'll literally add a whole glass of this pesto rasa. Maybe I should start a cooking channel because this is some next level shit. We need more. I don't know when this turned into a vlog. We're back on track, you guys, with pasta. I really want to eat, but I really have to do my makeup as well. Maybe I can do my makeup while I'm eating. I don't even care about the creases. I'm a badass. Who don't care about no creases? There was a lot coming out and a lot getting on my pasta. Love a good setting powder parmesan. Naomijon trying to turn her channel into a mukbang channel for 10 minutes straight. Okay, I need to do my eyebrows. Excuse me, where's my eyebrow stuff? Hello. I'm really curious what the taste will be like if I eat pasta and I put chips on top. That's weird. Maybe don't do that. Doing my eyebrows and fucking up. By the way, of course, I get like a lot of DMs on Instagram, mostly about makeup and just my videos and stuff. But if I post something about my pasta, this one I'm eating right now, you guys are going nuts. Like the amount of messages I get about this meal is just so much. All of the messages are just like, what's the recipe? And I'm like, bitch, I just put some pesto in and that's it. I'm still Jenny from the block. I think color-wise I want to match my hoodie. So I'm just gonna dip into this shade. Yes! I don't know what's happening, but I like it. Oh, and now I'm just adding some blue. My mirror is literally 5 meters away from my face, so I don't even know what's happening here. Fallout, be gone. Okay, let me just add some white eyeshadow to my lid. I love good matte white eyeshadow. I love matte eyeshadows way more than shimmery ones. I don't know what it is about them, but they kind of make my heart beat. Well, my heart is already beating, otherwise I would be dead. Hello, Lini. A friend just sent me this video of a bat being like the cutest puppy ever. So adorable. Look at it. I mean, like, they are so cute, but I always just remember the story of my brother. So like me and my brother, we were sleeping at my dad's house. In the middle of the night, I hear like weird noises like outside my room, and I hear my brother talking and then my dad, and they're like awake, and it was like in the middle of the night, and I wonder like what is going on. Suddenly my bro is coming into my room and my dad is saying, well, then you have to sleep here. And I'm like waking up like, what's going on? And my brother has to sleep in my room because there was a bat in his room. He said that he woke up and he just saw something weird in his room, and it was a bat, and he stood up, and then the bat looked at him and wanted to kill him. Oh, I just took a super long break. I don't know where I left. I don't know what happened. Where am I? I really want to change my hair. I know you guys will hate me for this because I want to get rid of the blue. I've been having blue hair for almost 3 years now. 3 years. It just got so normal to me to have blue hair. Like, it's like I was born with it. I kind of get sick of it, so I want to do something different. I want to cut my hair off. I want to dye it. If you have any ideas, please feel free to leave it down in the comments, like what color I should do or what haircut. Please leave all of your suggestions for my hair. All I can see is my roots from here in the viewfinder. By the way, you guys, I found my new favorite eyeliner. It is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is so good. Sorry, my nose is itching. I always thought I couldn't find a better eyeliner than the Kat Von D tattoo liner, but this is better. And it's so much cheaper than the Kat Von D eyeliner and so much easier to get in Germany. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is food. That was stolen. That song is originally from Allie, but just covered it. Love you, Allie.
Merry Christmas.
Have a good smoothie. Let's get this lash glue. You all know the song. Putting on lash glue is the most boring thing in the world. I just noticed how disgusting my hair looks. Like, it was so greasy back here. I'm so sorry you had to see this. I love how there's like different opinions on my hair. Some people say it's beautiful, some people say it's just disgusting, and I gotta say it's more disgusting than beautiful. Anyway, where was I? Putting on lash glue is the most boring thing in the world. Oh yes. I can't find my tweezers, so I'll have to put this lash on with my fingers. My mirror is like 5 meters away. I can't see shit. Love it. Why is my forehead creasing so much? Is that the foundation? I don't even care about the creases. I'm a badass. Who don't care about no creases? I think it's time for cheese strings. I recently did a poll on Instagram asking if I should do German or English videos. It was pretty close. I think it almost was 50-50. 53% said German videos, the rest said English videos. And even though German videos won, I got so many messages from you guys saying that they like my English videos better. Even from German people, I got the messages that they prefer my English videos, which was kind of crazy to me because I always thought like all of the German people want to see German videos. I think most of you kind of get used to me speaking English, and so many of my German followers even said that they like my English humor better than my German humor. It's weird, but also interesting. In the end, I decided to continue filming English videos. Yay. Because I really like doing it, but I always thought that people don't like to watch it. Anyway, where was I like in my makeup process? I think it's time for some bronzer. I have so much cheese stuck under my nails now. Love a good cheesy nail. Oh shit, I grabbed the broken one. Wow, this video is taking me so long because I just can't get to the point. I'm always just eating, talking, being on my phone, going to the toilet, getting some more food, eating. I think I've been filming for like 4 hours now. But I think we are almost done skiing. Let me just apply some blushie. Did I get highlighter? I think I forgot highlighter. Oh, now I need to stand up again. Fuck my life. Did I get a highlighter brush? I didn't. Fuck my life. Still worth it. What is it called? I don't even need to highlight my nose. It's already like so shiny. You know I like it when you're mad at me. By the way, you guys, I'm gonna be at the Music Bank next week, which is in Berlin. I mean, if you see this video, I think it probably happened yesterday. You're gonna see it this Sunday after the Music Bank. I'm gonna see EXO live, and then at the 17th of October, I'm gonna see BTS live. I'm so looking forward to the concert, but I know when it's over, I'm gonna have deep depressions. I'm constantly gonna be like, I wanna go back. I remember that it was the same with Demi. When I was at Demi's concert, I never had that feeling that I was like looking at the videos after a concert and I was like, oh, I wanna go back and stuff. But when I was at Demi's concert, I was like this because it was so amazing and it was first row and like all the emotions and it was just something different. I really miss Demi, by the way. I hope she's doing good. Okay, I think we are actually almost done here. I'm gonna stay in this color range. Is that the one? I think that's the one. And I'm gonna go with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick Huntington Beach. Smoothie smoothie. Chippy chippy. Cheesy cheesy. And now we can do this. I think I'm gonna... Okay, calm down. I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit of Breakfast at Tiffany's, like in the center. Am I the only one who's smearing their dirty makeup fingers on their thighs? I'm always like, no one's seeing this. Like next to my vajayjay, no one's gonna see it. So I always have like so much makeup all over my thighs. Alright, you guys, that is the finished makeup look. It took me a while. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Let me just set that real quick. I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Serene Greens. This smells like freshly cut grass. It's crazy. That's actually it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on... let me just do a little stretch. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.